a pleasant day. To all our listeners, you are turned into the Tech Rescue Hub. I am your host, Princess Angel Alagkawili. We all know that laptops are essential for our daily lives. But what happens when they fail us? And because life, just like tech, can be complicated, I'll be sharing some heart-to-heart reflections along the way. Let's get started. 6. The battery does not charge. It's plug-in, but the percentage stays at 0. The causes could be outdated battery drivers or a physically dead battery. Troubleshoot this by installing the battery driver in device module and restarting. The solution is to purchase a new original battery. Safety precaution: avoid cheap and branded batteries. They are major fire hazards. Huwag mong ubusin o i-drain ang sarili mo para sa taong hindi naman marunong mag-recharge ng kaluluwa mo. Deserve mong manatiling 100%, hindi laging 0. There you have it. 8 laptop fixes and a little bit of life advice to keep you going. Whether it's a broken screen or a broken heart, there is always a way to fix it. Or better yet, a way to move forward. Once again, I am Princess Angel Alagkawili. Thank you for listening to the Tech Rescue Hub. Stay smart, stay guarded, and stay connected. Goodbye.